99% of creators are using Elevenlabs completely wrong. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to make your Elevenlabs voiceovers sound natural, emotional, and genuinely human using Claude AI. Let's get into it. I've linked it in the description below so you can try it for free before we start. Once you're inside Elevenlabs, head over to Voices, click Create Voice, and then select Voice Design. This is where we build a voice completely from scratch. For this example, let's say I need a voice for an animated cartoon explainer video. So I'm going to type this prompt. Design a fun, expressive, and energetic voice for animated cartoon explainer videos with clear pronunciation, natural emotions, and engaging storytelling. And then hit Generate Voice. Just like that, your custom voice is ready in one click. I'll go ahead and save this voice so we can use it in the next step. Now head over to My Voices and select the voice we just created. I'm going to paste in a short cartoon-style dialogue script to test it out. Before generating, make sure your voice model is set to 11v3. This is Elevenlabs' most expressive and advanced model right now. Go ahead and hit Generate Speech. Okay.
Tom said, "I only ate one cookie, but the cookie jar was empty, and crumbs were all over his face. Even the cat looked disappointed."
So you heard that. The voice itself sounds decent, but something still feels off. It's reading the script, not performing it. There's no real emotion, no dynamics, no energy. Even if you switch on the Enhance feature inside V3, the result is basically the same. Now, technically, you can manually add audio tags to your script to guide the emotion. And honestly, Elevenlabs V3 responds to them really well. But here's the problem. If your script is long, doing this manually becomes insanely time-consuming. We're talking dozens and dozens of tags, carefully placed for every emotional beat in the script. So here's what I do instead. I use Claude AI to do the entire thing automatically. Go to Claude and paste in this prompt. Make sure you add your actual script at the end before hitting Enter. Hit Enter, and Claude will hand you back a fully enhanced voiceover script packed with high-quality emotional direction tags. Every pause, every emotional beat, every delivery shift, placed exactly where it needs to be. There's a lot of tags in there. That level of precision is almost impossible to do manually. And honestly, it would take most people hours to get right. So now, without wasting any time, I'm going to copy the full Claude-enhanced script and paste it directly into Elevenlabs. Hit Generate.
"I only ate one cookie, but the cookie jar was empty, and crumbs were all over his face. Even the cat looked disappointed." Wow, the ghost must be hungry again.
You heard that, right? The emotion feels real. The energy is there. The pacing actually feels alive. Compared to the first version, this sounds genuinely professional. I used Claude to prepare a documentary-style voiceover script using the exact same workflow. I'll paste the enhanced script into Elevenlabs, select a documentary-style voice from the voice library, and hit Generate.
Golden grass of the savannah. Something tiny is watching. Meet Kibo, a lion cub, on his very first hunt. He creeps and creeps, one paw at a time. The beetle he's hunting has absolutely no idea. He leaps and lands completely on the wrong spot. The beetle walks away, unbothered. But Kibo, he'll try again tomorrow, because that's what brave little lions do.
That is clean. That is emotional. That is expressive. The depth, the tone, the pacing, it all matches the documentary format perfectly. And honestly, even a professional voice actor would struggle to deliver something this consistent on the first take. And that's it. That's the full workflow. Everyone else is generating flat robotic voiceovers. This is how you stand out. Both tools are linked in the description below. Go check them out.